In today's digital age, technology is evolving faster than ever before. Organizations, businesses, governments, and individuals generate massive amounts of data every day. To store, manage, and access this information efficiently, a new computing model has emerged that has transformed the way we use technology. This model is known as cloud computing. Cloud computing has become one of the most important innovations in modern information technology, enabling users to access computing resources anytime and anywhere through the internet. Traditionally, organizations had to purchase expensive servers, storage devices, networking equipment, and software licenses. These resources were installed and maintained on site, requiring significant investments in infrastructure and technical expertise. Cloud computing changed this approach. Instead of owning and maintaining physical infrastructure, organizations can now access computing resources over the internet and pay only for what they use. This provides great flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency. Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services over the internet. These services include storage, servers, databases, networking, software, analytics, artificial intelligence. Rather than storing data on running applications on a local computer, users can access these resources remotely through cloud service providers. This means that files, applications, and services can be available whenever they are needed, regardless of location. Many people use cloud computing every day without realizing it. When you save files to Google Drive, stream movies on Netflix, store photos on cloud, or use Microsoft OneDrive, you are using cloud-based services. These platforms allow users to access their information from multiple devices without needing to carry physical storage devices. Cloud computing has therefore become an essential part of everyday life. Cloud computing is built upon several important characteristics. The first is on-demand service. Users can obtain computing resources whenever they need them without requiring direct assistance from service providers. The second characteristic is broad network access. Cloud services can be accessed through various devices, including computers, tablets, and smartphones, using an internet connection. The third characteristic is resource pooling. Cloud providers share computing resources among multiple customers, while ensuring security and privacy. The fourth characteristic is rapid elasticity. Resources can be increased or decreased quickly depending on demand. Finally, managed services ensure that users pay only for resources they consume. Cloud computing is commonly categorized into three service models. The first is infrastructure as a service, commonly known as IaaS. IaaS provides virtualized computing, resources such as servers, storage, and networking. Organizations manage their applications and operating systems while the cloud provider manages the underlying infrastructure. Examples include virtual machines and cloud storage services. The second service model is platform as a service, PaaS. PaaS provides a complete platform for developing, testing, and deploying applications. Developers can focus on writing code without worrying about hardware management, operating systems, or software updates. This accelerates software development and reduces operational complexity. The third service model is software as a service, or SaaS. SaaS delivers software applications directly over the internet. Users simply access the application through a web browser without installing or maintaining software on their devices. Examples include Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Zoom, Dropbox. These applications are managed entirely by the cloud provider. Cloud environments can also be deployed in different ways. A public cloud is owned and operated by a third-party provider and is available to multiple customers over the internet. A private cloud is dedicated to a single organization and provides greater control and security. A hybrid Cloud combines both public and private cloud environments, allowing organizations to benefit from advantages of each. Organizations select deployment models based on their security requirements, performance needs, and business objectives. Cloud computing offers numerous advantages. One major benefit is cost reduction. Organizations no longer need to purchase expensive hardware and maintain large data centers. Another advantage is scalability. Resources can be adjusted instantly as demand changes. Cloud computing also improves accessibility. Employees can work remotely and access resources from virtually anywhere. In addition, cloud providers offer backup and disaster recovery services that help organizations protect their critical data. These benefits have made cloud computing a key driver of digital transformation. Despite its advantages, cloud computing also provides several challenges. Security remains one of the primary concerns. Sensitive information stored in the cloud may become a target for cyber criminals if proper security measures are not implemented. Privacy issues may arise when organizations store confidential information on external platforms. Organizations must also consider internet dependency as cloud services require reliable connectivity. To address these concerns, cloud providers implement encryption, access controls, authentication mechanisms, and continuous monitoring of systems. Cloud computing is widely used across many industries. Education institutions use cloud platforms to deliver online learning and collaboration tools. Healthcare organizations use cloud services to store and manage patient records. Financial institutions rely on cloud infrastructure for secure transactions and data processing. Businesses use cloud-based applications to improve productivity, communication, and customer service. Governments also utilize cloud technologies to provide digital services to citizens more efficiently. As technology continues to advance, cloud computing will play an even greater role in emerging technologies. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data analytics, the Internet of Things, and smart cities all depend heavily on cloud infrastructure. The cloud provides the processing power and storage capacity needed to support these innovations on a global scale. As organizations continue their digital transformation journeys, the demand for cloud solutions will continue to grow. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way organizations and individuals access technology. By providing flexible, scalable, and cost-effective computing resources through the internet, the cloud has become the backbone of modern digital services. From education and healthcare to business and government, cloud computing continues to drive innovation and efficiency across the world. As we move further into the digital era, understanding cloud computing is no longer optional. It is essential for anyone seeking to thrive in today's technology-driven environment. Alright, this simple tutorial is going to show you how to use Microsoft OneDrive to store files. So right now I've got a Microsoft Word document that I would like to store in the cloud, Microsoft OneDrive. So on my top left, there is this button called Autosave. I'm going to click on it. Once I click on Autosave, it's going to prompt me to log into OneDrive. So I'm going to click on the top one. So it's connecting my local file to the cloud, and as it is, my file is both on my local machine as well as in the cloud. And as you can see here, location, OneDrive for ZCAS University. This is a simple way in which you can store files into the cloud.